welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be cleaning up the GTO, and that's why it's right here behind me, and we're going to be reviewing Mr. Sam's spray wax, ceramic spray wax from the Custumz YouTube channel. So let's get to it. Let me take it out the pack and show you, and then we'll get to cleaning up the GTO. Okay, what I have here that I'm about to open is, okay, I got it open, but what I have here is Mr. Sam from Cletus McFarlane's YouTube channel. He has some spray wax, and I got this whole kit for $25. It's the spray bottle and a little towel to put it on. So what I'm going to do now is, see the GTO is parked there. I need to clean it up because it's been sitting for a while and it's real dirty. So and then I'll show you. See, it got dirt all over it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up, and I'm going to spray the spray wax on it just to see how it is and how it does, and kind of give you like a review of the spray wax and let you know how it turns out. I need to clean the GTO up and put it back up under the car cover anyway, so this is the perfect time to do it. So all right, let's get to the video. Alright, got the car dried off as good as I can. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you one side of the actual hood. Let me show you. What I'll do is I'll spray the spray wax on this side of the hood, or right up in here, and then I'll show you the side without it, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, sorry if I'm dark, but just took the cap off the bottle and about to insert the spray into it. Alright, initial thoughts. The tube is kind of long, so this doesn't go all the way down on it. So it kinks it up a little bit. Don't know if that's going to cause an issue or not, but it seems that the tube is about quarter inch to a half inch longer than the actual bottle. Alright, with this car being yellow, I doubt you'll be able to see a difference. So I'm just going to spray it on and we'll see. Although there are little surface things in here. Surface spots. Stuff smells really good, I can tell you that. just finished this side right here. Again, I don't know how well you can see it with the car being yellow, but that's the side I just did. And I haven't done this side yet, so, and I don't know if you can pick up on it in the video or not, but I can see a little bit of differences. Like you can see right there how those smear marks are there, and over in here they're not there. So let me go ahead and finish the hood, and I'll put it on time lapse for that, and then I'll come back. All right, just finished the whole hood. And I can see a little difference in it. It's just a ceramic coat, so basically it's just supposed to protect it. And just like I said again, this car didn't have a lot of blemishes in it in the first place, so it's just more of a protective coat. To illustrate what a protective coat does, if I throw this towel on it, see, it just slides right off. Slides right off. And let me try it with the spot that I haven't done, like the top. You'll see it doesn't go anywhere. Even on the sides, it slides off the sides, but it doesn't go. It doesn't go as fast as it would if I waxed it. And I'll show you. Let me wax this part and I'll show you. Okay, I just waxed this, and if you can see, the rag won't even stay, just the wind. The wind is causing it to blow off. I can't get it to stay up there at all. So alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest of the car, but I'm not gonna record it, and I'll come back to this video once I'm done. Okay, I'm done with putting the ceramic wax on the GTO. So I'll go ahead and close out this video and tell you my thoughts on the ceramic wax from Mr. Sam. Okay, I know you guys are most likely gonna catch it in the video, but when I was over on the other side of the car, I forgot to wash the rims and tires. So I just went on and did that now, and I'm gonna rinse it off before I actually put the GTO up. Okay, I closed the garage because I didn't want to get that much of a glare. I know my intro, you could barely see me. I was like a silhouette because of the brightness outside, so that's why I closed the garage. But back to this video. I'm not really going to call this a review of Mr. Sam's ceramic wax spray, because I don't intend to take money out of anyone's pocket or put money into anyone's pocket for that matter. I'm just giving you my honest opinion, and because I haven't used many other ceramic waxes, I'm not going to compare. But what I do see just by using it just now is I can tell a difference. It does coat the car well. It was able to get out, when I polished it, it was able to get out some of the spots that was in there from the berries and birds and stuff like that. So it did get those spots out. It did put a coat on it, as you saw when with the rag that I threw over it. It slid completely off. It was sliding across a lot faster, so it put a protective coat on it, and it was able to get some of the stains and spots out of it. So for what I see right now, it works, but all ceramic waxes may work the same. I'm not here to review or to compare. I'm not doing that. So all I can say is, yes, it worked for me. It only took a small amount. I can probably do my car 4 times with that one bottle. So it does spread a lot, and it seems to last. And for 25 bucks, I think it's a pretty good deal. So, if you're looking at this video, yes, I still have few issues with the GTO. I haven't figured that out yet. I've been talking to some people in the comments, and I got some suggestions, but I'm not ready to pull the tank out just yet until I feel comfortable with what I know is going to fix the issue. Then I'll do it. So I think my plans right now is to go ahead and get another fuel bucket, a GTO fuel pump assembly itself, and just look at the bucket and probably replace the pump and then put that in. That's probably going to be my next go with it. But I'm just, right now, I'm just taking my time. I have other projects that I'm working on, so I'm gonna, as soon as I get back to the GTO, I'll definitely make a video, and we'll get started on pulling the fuel tank out and fixing the fuel issue. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.